swing. You know, just look at how from here to here is a swing. From this place to this place is a swing. From here to here 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 is a swing. Swing. So now they have highs and lows. Swing high. The same way a candle has high and low.
Yeah.
The swing has high and low, low and high, high and low, low and high. Now, for you to know the beginning of a swing and the end of a swing, this high consists of 3 candles. There are 3 candles that are going to appear here. I will explain it to you in the chat.
Okay.
There are 3 candles that will be here. 3 candles will be here.
There is a must.
When you understand it.
Okay.
3 candle formation here. 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 Now let's go to the charts. You see here.
Yes.
2. You see here, not just 2. Now the swing highs and lows. The swing high and lows consist of 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. Wig. Despite the color, whether it's bullish or bearish, but the swing high must have its high, that's the one of the candles higher than the other 2.
Okay.
That's this weak point, not the body. The wig must have its wig higher than the wig of the other 2 by itself, making this place a swing high.
Okay.
For swing low, this one now must have its low, its candle wig low, lower than this other 2. This is swing low.
Okay.
Now let's go to the charts. See, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
This is a swing low. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Let me use. This is a swing low.
Yes.
See here. 1, 2, 3. This one has its high. See its high. See the high here.
Yes, sir.
See the high there.
Yes.
Higher than this one and this one.
Mm.
So this is a swing high. See a swing high. See here. 1, 2, 3. This is a swing low. At the same time, this is a swing high.
Which
Let
one?
me zoom it so that you can see.
Okay. Yeah.
See here. 1, 2, 3. This one is lower
And the 2.
than the other 2. This is a swing low. 1, 2, 3. This one is higher than this other ones. This is a swing high. If you look here, 1, 2, 3. This one is higher. It's a swing high. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This one is lower. Swing low. Swing high. Swing high here. Swing high here. No low. because from this all this place now there's no candle lower than there's no candle that has it lower than the other two. Okay, there's one here. There's here. This one now is lower than this and this. So this is a swing low. This is a swing high. This is a swing low. Now, sometimes it will look like two of them are even. It will look like two of them are the same. Now,
so how do you know the one?
another way to have you seen it now?
Okay,
if you zoom in now, you see it where.
Yeah, this one is lower than this one.
Lower than the other one. So that's a swing
Low.
low. This is a swing high.
Swing high.
This is a swing low.
At the same time.
1, 2, 3. It's low. It's lower than the first, the previous candle and the candle after it. Okay. This is a swing high.
Doji.
Doji is a swing high. This candle has its high higher than this and this. This is a swing low. It has its low higher than this and this.
Okay, yes.
This is a swing low. It has its low higher than this and this.
Yeah.
This is a swing high. It has its high higher than this and this. It's weak high. So the same thing here, 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 the same thing here. So now going back to our drawing board. So now what do we expect? Let me see how I can.
This is great. I'm in a bad mood. Now I've got someone to take it out on. Where is Batosai? All you gotta do is
So
speak.
now
Tell you. Come on.
I'm just drawing randomly.
Okay, and now just
I'm just drawing randomly. I'm not looking at any. Now I have here my swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Now we are yet to get a new high, a new swing high, until I get something like this low. Then I will not get the swing high. Okay. So that's just basic thing about it. So I don't want this video to be so long, okay? So that it will be easier for you to always go through. So what you do is I would upload this in on Telegram.
your Telegram page.
What I'll do now is I will get particular page so that we can always do this uploads there.
Okay, yes.
So that you can easily go back there
Yes.
and study. So that is just basically what
For the swings.
swings are,
Okay.
high and low. That's just basically what it is.
Okay.
So once you're able to understand this, then you can now progress. So the assignment you will do now is you download TradeView or MT5, any of them. Then you do a screenshot. Then once you do the screenshot, you mark out on the screenshot. If you're using TradingView now, you can easily use the tools there. You just label them and then screenshot.
Can my phone do
The phone is supposed to do it. Phone is supposed to do it. Just like here now. You can just come here, mark it, mark it, mark it, mark it, mark it. However, whatever way you use to mark it, you just mark it, showing me the this thing, the swing highs and lows. Yeah. Then after that, you will now progress. So this is going to just be what we'll be studying for today.
Okay.
So that's it. So from here, then next class we will now even go deeper. So that's just it.
Very short time.
Yeah.